Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited to share with you my unboxing and review of the Rupa Jon printed panties. As a woman, I know how important it is to have comfortable and cute innerwear. Let's dive in and see if these panties live up to the hype. Okay, so the package just arrived and I am loving the colorful packaging, and let's open it up and see what's inside. There are 5 pair of panties in different shapes, colors, and prints. The packaging is so cute. Let's take a closer look at the panties. The fabric feels really soft and comfortable. I love the antibacterial properties, which is a big plus for me, and the print are so cute and fun. And pros: super comfortable, cute prints, antibacterial fabric, and great fit. And cons: non really, these panties are a winner in my book. Overall, I am really impressed with our Rupa Jon printed panties. If you are looking for comfortable, cute, and convenient innerwear in this summer, I highly recommend giving these a try. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more review and unboxing videos. So guys, I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me, and creating content is a journey, and knowing that you are part of it motivates me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Every like and comment share help me grow and improve, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that not only entertain but also inform and inspire. Your feedback is invaluable, so please keep sharing your thoughts, suggestions. I want to make sure I am improving what you want to see. Remember, this is a two-way street. Your engagement fuel my creativity, and I am excited to continue this adventure with you. If you have not already, please make sure to hit that follow button. Till then, bye.